The New Literacies by Kimberly Hazel Rudden. What do we mean by new literacies? By most accounts, new literacies are synonymous with digital literacy. However, Capello and Moss argue that there is an additional consideration in labeling digital literacy as new. This is the approach with which technology is utilized in the practice of digital literacy. From this perspective, librarians can serve as key facilitators in the new literacy of technology by focusing on helping students build skills that will be necessary to communicate effectively in a digital world, such as computational thinking, team building, and algorithmic design. How would you describe digital and media literacy? Digital literacy specifically applies to the use of media from the internet, smartphones, video games, and other non-traditional sources. Media literacy includes the ability to identify media and its messages and create media responsibility. Digital literacy includes both nuts and bolts skills and ethical obligations. What are the main characteristics? Hobbes describes digital literacy as the ability to share meaning through symbol systems rather than solely spoken or written words in order to fully participate in society. To achieve a level of competence in digital and media literacy, individuals must master 5 skills. 5 key digital and media literacy competency skills: the use of tools to access information and entertainment, critical analysis and evaluation of any information that is accessed, ability to create communications from and through digital mediums, reflecting on information obtained, and active participation in social action. How has media and technology changed the literacy skills and strategies K-12 students need to develop to access, evaluate, and produce information? Digital and media literacy does not just involve the learning of technology or tools. Librarians and teachers in the digital age will need to help children develop skills that emphasize the use of these tools to promote critical thinking, creativity, and communication skills. The skills needed to master digital literacy will have the same similarity to those needed to master traditional literacy, such as being able to search for information, being able to critically evaluate that information, and composing communications of some form to share information with others. The big difference between traditional and digital literacies development will be the method in which these skills are manifested, where digital literacy skills will be more self-directed, multimodal, and dynamic. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can contact me at krudden@my.dom.edu.